Success doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing one thing with insane focus. What if I told you that chasing too many dreams is exactly what's stopping you from living even one? Steve Jobs once said, deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do. When he returned to Apple, the company was drowning. Dozens of products, zero clarity. He killed 70% of them. Why? Because focus builds greatness. One laser-sharp product, the iMac, changed everything. Neurologically, your brain performs best in a state of deep work. When you split your attention, your productivity drops by... That's not multitasking. That's self-sabotage. Pick one mission, not five. One, block distraction windows. Time is your weapon. Protect it. Track one key metric every week. Progress loves measurement. Say no more often. Every yes to noise is a no to mastery.
You don't need 1,000 skills, you need one obsession and the courage to go all in. Because the people who change the world focus like a laser, not a flashlight. If this hit you deep, don't scroll away. Hit subscribe, like, and share this with someone who's chasing too many things. Remember, Driven Soul is here to guide your fire into focus. Let's build legends, one mission at a time, on fire.